Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet cushion cover designs. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet cushion cover patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet cushion cover ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful crochet cushion cover designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet cushion cover designs if you know crochet work. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. You can make with matching bed sheets, pillow covers, curtain designs, table covers and many more. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet cushion cover designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the